LecU Audiobook Output Devices and Their Types. Hello and welcome to LecU Audiobook. Keep challenging your mind, keep learning with Learny Quick. Today we are going to explore an essential topic from computer fundamentals, output devices and their types. This session is designed for beginners, undergraduate learners such as BCA or MCA students, and anyone preparing for competitive examinations or strengthening their fundamental knowledge of computing. Before we begin, take a moment to sit comfortably and relax. Clear your mind and get ready to learn something practical and meaningful. Let us begin our journey into understanding how computers communicate their results back to us. Understanding the concept of output. To understand output devices, we must first understand the idea of output itself. Whenever you interact with a computer, you provide instructions. Typing on a keyboard, clicking a mouse, or tapping a screen are all examples of input. After receiving these instructions, the computer processes the information and produces a response. That response is known as output. Output can appear in many forms: text displayed on a screen, images or graphics, video playback, printed documents, audio signals, physical objects created by machines. In simple words, output is the information generated by a computer after processing data. An output device is therefore defined as a hardware component that receives data from a computer system and presents it in a form humans can perceive, visually, audibly, or physically. Without output devices, computers would perform calculations internally, but users would never see or hear the results. These devices act as a communication bridge between humans and machines. Classification of output devices. Output devices can be grouped into four broad categories based on how they deliver information: visual output devices, audio output devices, hard copy output devices, specialized or emerging output devices. Let us explore these categories in greater detail. Visual output devices. Monitor. The monitor is the most widely used output device. It displays information instantly, allowing users to interact effectively with computer systems. Monitors present text documents, graphical user interfaces, images, videos, interactive software environments. They are essential tools in education, business, programming, gaming, and creative design. Types of monitors. CRT monitors. Cathode ray tube monitors were widely used in early computing history. They used electron beams to illuminate pixels on the screen. Although durable, they were bulky and consumed more electricity. LCD monitors. Liquid crystal display monitors replaced CRT technology. They are thinner, lighter, and more energy efficient. They use liquid crystals manipulated by electric currents to produce images. LED monitors. LED monitors are improved LCD versions that use LED backlighting. They provide brighter images, sharper contrast, and lower power consumption. OLED displays. Organic light-emitting diode displays represent modern innovation. Each pixel produces its own light, resulting in superior color accuracy and contrast. Projector. A projector displays digital output onto a large surface such as a wall or screen. They are commonly used in classrooms, conference rooms, training sessions, and entertainment environments. Modern projectors offer high-definition clarity, wireless connectivity, and portability, making them highly versatile presentation tools. Audio output devices. Speakers. Speakers convert electrical signals into sound waves that humans can hear. They are widely used for listening to music, watching films, participating in online meetings, or receiving alerts or notifications. Speakers range from compact portable models to high-quality surround sound systems. Headphones and earphones. Headphones allow individuals to experience audio privately without disturbing others. They are commonly used by students, professionals, and gamers. These devices provide mobility, sound clarity, and immersive listening experiences. Hard copy output devices. Printer. Printers produce physical versions of digital documents. They are essential in homes, educational institutions, and workplaces where documentation and record keeping is necessary. Types of printers. Impact printers. These printers create images by physically striking paper with an ink ribbon. A dot matrix printer is a common example. They are durable and suitable for industrial environments. Non-impact printers. These printers operate without direct mechanical contact, resulting in faster and quieter operation. Examples include inkjet printers, ideal for home use and color printing, laser printers, designed for high-speed and large-volume tasks. Plotter. Plotters are specialized devices used to produce large, precise graphical outputs, such as architectural or engineering drawings. They can generate detailed vector graphics and are widely used in technical and professional design fields. Specialized output devices. Braille display. Braille displays provide accessibility for visually impaired users by converting text into tactile patterns that can be read through touch. These devices promote inclusive digital interaction and equal access to information. 3D printer. A 3D printer creates tangible objects from digital models by layering material step by step. Applications include medical equipment creation, rapid prototyping, robotics development, educational demonstrations. This technology represents the expansion of output devices beyond traditional forms. Importance in everyday life. Output devices enable users to interpret processed data, communicate effectively, access entertainment, preserve records, support education and innovation. From smartphones to smart televisions, output technologies are integrated into everyday life, improving productivity and connectivity. Practical real-life examples. Watching a movie involves visual output from screens and audio output from speakers working together. Printing academic assignments produces hard copies for submission. Delivering presentations uses projectors to share knowledge with larger audiences. These examples demonstrate the practical role output devices play in routine activities. Future trends. Technology continues to evolve rapidly, and output devices are advancing along with it. Future possibilities include flexible and foldable displays, holographic projection, virtual reality immersive environments, augmented reality overlays. These innovations will transform the way humans perceive digital content and interact with machines. Recap and conclusion. Let us review what we explored. Output devices present processed information to users. They can be visual, audio-based, printed, or specialized. They form a critical link between computational processes and human understanding. Developing knowledge of output devices strengthens digital literacy and lays a foundation for further study in information technology. Thank you for listening to this session from LecQ Audiobook. We hope this lesson has expanded your understanding and encouraged you to continue exploring the world of computing. For more educational audio sessions, visit or log into LecQAudioApp.com. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next session.